Hi everyone. If you're watching this video, you might know who this person is. Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was one of the three founders of Apple company, जो अपनी ही कंपनी से निकाल दिया गया था at the age of 30. And within 11 years, he was back to Apple. So उन्होंने basically एक कंपनी डेवलप की जो Apple ने खरीद ली. With the terms and conditions, Steve Jobs will be back to Apple as the CEO of the company. How cool is that? So here I am with 10 facts about the Apple company. Before moving forward, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, just give us a thumbs up. So as I said before, Apple had three founders, जिसमें से एक फाउंडर ने इनिशियली अपना शेयर्स बेच दिए थे, जो कि वैल्यू $800 पे थे at that time, and now the value for the same is $60 billion. So if you're using iPhone, तो आप Siri का फीचर यूज़ कर रही होंगे. But did you know iPhone records all the data and keep it for 2 years for analyzing purpose. तो बेसिकली जो भी आप अपने फ़ोन को काम देते हो वो एप्पल रिकॉर्ड करके रखता है अपने पास फॉर एनालाइजिंग पर्पस. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम वट एवर यू टेल टू योर सिरी, जस्ट बी केयरफुल. वेल, एप्पल्स आर स्ट्रॉन्ग मशीन्स, बट डिड यू नो हर मैकबुक के अंदर एक बुलेट प्रूफ बैटरी है. दैट्स प्रीटी अमेजिंग, राइट? सो आपने कभी ये नोटिस किया है एप्पल के हर कमर्शियल्स में 9:41 AM की ब्रांडिंग हुई रहती है. द टाइमिंग ऑफ 9:41 AM इज गिवन इन एवरी एप्पल्स कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट. Why is it so? Steve Jobs has released his first iPhone on 9:41 AM. That is the reason why Apple has every commercial for 9:41 AM. We all love music, and iTunes is one of the default application which iPhone has. And iPhone के terms and conditions में जाके देखेंगे तो iTunes के बारे में ये लिखा हुआ है कि you cannot use this application for nuclear weapons. How crazy is that? Well, I'm a big fan of iPhone, but did you know जापान में एक इंसान 7 months तक रुका हुआ था outside of an Apple store just to get the first delivery of an iPhone 6. He waited there for 7 months to get the first iPhone 6 in Japan. Crazy fans, right? So far you know Apple has made laptops, phones, watches, but did you know Apple was also in gaming consoles? It was made in 1995 and Apple called it as Apple Fiffin. It was in competition with PlayStations and Xbox, but it was a huge failure for Apple company as it only sold 42,000 copies of it. So the logo which you know about the Apple company is this one. But this was not the first logo which was initially chosen by the founders of the company. This one was. And they basically transferred it from this to this one for the simplicity which the Apple carries. Well, the next fact is about the iPad Retina display. Did you know that the Retina display in your iPad is actually manufactured by Samsung itself? And most of MacBook and iPhone display are made by LG. So the last one in our list is a conspiracy. It's not a fact, but it can be true. In 2013, an application called ICU allowed the hackers to remotely access the webcam on your MacBooks without triggering the green light. So strangers were able to watch and record users whatever they were doing. And this all became public knowledge when Miss Teen US Cassidy Wolf received an extortion attempt that over 100 nude photos of her taken by her own MacBook. But let me be clear. All Apple claims that neither of these events were made by the company. In fact, Apple worked hard to close all the loopholes for the hackers, so nothing like this should happen again. Well, these were some of the facts of Apple company. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel if you're new to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.